This WordPress training video is number 5 in the training series for WordPress training. It's going to explore the WordPress dashboard, that's also known as the admin area. If you've logged in for the first time, we're going to cover a little bit about the front end, mostly about the back end, and the areas of the WordPress dashboard, which the landing page, dashboard links, WordPress toolbar, collapsible menu, collapsible panels, screen options, how the settings are remembered, and navigate between the front and back. Following from the installing your WordPress on XAMPP, XAMPP, if you went through that video and installed your WordPress there, then I'm just going to show a little piece here that you need to know about getting to your new WordPress site. And the rest of you can just go to your website where you have it installed at. Okay, now let me show you what happens if you don't have XAMPP turned on. This is what's going to happen. Go to localhost. That's where you find your website in XAMPP. And then of course mine's going to be in the blog directory, and we need WP-admin. That's where you log into WordPress. This is what happens if XAMPP's not turned on. All you have to do to turn on XAMPP is go find wherever you put it at, and when you see those green lights, you know it's turned on. You can just close this out. It's still running. You may or may not see it down in your taskbar there. We got 2 of them. I'm going to quit one of them. Okay. So you got XAMPP running. Now I'm just going to refresh this page. And I'm going to log in. Okay. Now the first thing you see when you log into WordPress is you're going to see this Welcome to WordPress splash here. You can read up on a little information, some how-to stuff here about widgets, about pages, about posts. You can learn more. Click on this and go through their walkthrough if you like. When you're done with this, just click dismiss so it doesn't show up anymore. We have what is the landing page. You'll notice right here in this section you have the stats about your posts, your pages, your categories, your tags, comments, and right now WordPress has a, just for a sample, put in 1 comment, 1 page for you, 1 post, 1 page, 1 approved. And then the spam here is something that's controlled by Askimit. It's a spam detector that comes shipped with WordPress nowadays. It didn't used to, but it does. It's a very good tool plug-in to have. If you don't have it, you can download it at the WordPress website. We'll go over that plug-in in a later video. And then here you have your recent comments, people who's commented, and whether it's pending, approved, whatnot. You have incoming links, information, news about plugins. Here you can literally start a new post right from here. Here you would see whatever drafts you have. Again, information about WordPress, other news about WordPress. And over here, the dashboard area, this is where you go and find all the areas you need to work in WordPress, because this is where you'll do most of your work for WordPress. So here you see this section here, you got your home, updates, post, media, that's your videos, your pictures, videos, whatnot. Pages, add new page, you got your comments here. Appearance, this is where your themes, widgets, and all these are located. Plugins, where you can install, add new, check out what you have. Users is where we'll go here, is where you will be at when you initially installed it. You may have called yourself something else other than admin, but you can go in and add one. You can edit your profile. Tools, what comes shipped with WordPress is import and export feature, and then you have settings, and you have these various things you can do for settings. Just to let you know, as you add in plugins and stuff, things will change here. You will have new things added. You may have a new area added. If you don't want to see this menu, you can collapse it. Up here you have a toolbar. This will tell you about comments. You also see, sometimes you'll see if there's an update available. You'll see a little symbol here. as well as you'll see something here and up here as well that you have an update. You can navigate between the front end and back end of your WordPress. You can click on visit site or just simply click this. I like to open mine in a new tab. Just to show you real quick, there's the front end. Okay, in the front end it gives you a home page and a sample page, one post, and a few other little examples of stuff. You can log in from the front end if you like. I'll always take this down eventually, and I will show you how to do that, but you can literally click on that and go to your back end. If you're logged in, you'll be able to navigate quickly between the front end and back end without having to re-log in. So I usually keep one tab open for the dashboard, one tab open for the site, so I can quickly check things as I'm doing it. Okay, we'll go back to the dashboard here. The WordPress dashboard is designed to resize depending on your browser window sizes. So let's do this. It will, to a certain point anyway. You'll notice it goes to different sizes here. There you go. It's a different appearance for each size. Again, let's see that. And then you scroll down, you see everything else back up underneath there. So if you're working on a tablet, that's the view you would most likely see. And because the WordPress is so highly customizable, just about everything is collapsible. You do that and that. This also works in first let's do the screen options. If you don't want to see something like you don't want to see incoming links here, tick that, incoming links goes away. And WordPress, there could be multiple users set up for WordPress. So whatever you're setting here only applies to the user that happens to be logged in at the time, and it will be remembered. And again, you go to let's go to pages, and let's go to add new. Let's go to add new page here. You'll notice these are also collapsible. You can move it around if you like, but again, like I said, it will remember the user that did this. It will remain that way the next time you log in. And so we now know basically how WordPress is laid out in the admin area, also known as the dashboard.